In this lecture, we are going to learn a very small, simple, yet very effective technique for data analysis. And what we are going to do is that we are going to filter our data based on different parameters. So let me show you. First of all, I will press the Alt key on my keyboard to get this panel here. And in this panel, I will go to data, and in the data, I will click on this filter. And once you click on the filter, you will see that the top header in your column, the top row in your sheet, basically now has drop down menus. And if you click on this drop down menu, you can see that you have the option to select any particular brand here. So I clicked on the brand column, and what Excel has done is that Excel has taken only the unique values from this complete column and shown me here, and I can basically select any one or multiple of them that I want to see. So for example, let us say we only want to see the high quality brand, and if I click OK, you will see that only those products are appearing now where the brand name is high quality. And you can also apply another filter at the same time. So for example, say you can apply a filter like where product price, maybe you can select few of them like this by looking at the data and selecting, or you can use these number filters here. I will just show you number filters in a minute, but you can select data from here as well. And if I let us say if I select these three and click OK, you will see that only these three numbers, 4 lines are appearing here because 3.56 is appearing 2 times. So we selected the 3 numbers and only 3 numbers, these 3 numbers are appearing there. So this way you can select any specific data that you want to see. And if I just get my Excel in the normal mode, you can see that if I can just see here, once I select the data by pressing the shift key, you can see that I can see the count, the average, max, and also the sum of the values. So the small data analysis can be done using the filters. Now the filters are more powerful than you have seen till now. How? Let me show you. So first of all, let me remove all the filters here. So let me select this and say clean the filters, and then I will click here and I will say clean the filters from brand as well. Now let us say you want to look at the products where the product name contains chips. And if I do that, you will see that Excel has given you all the product names, all the products details where the name contains the word chips. So this way you can apply the text filter as well. So this is very effective, but I will just clear it for now. And then you can, what else you can do is that in the text filters you can apply equals, does not contain, contain, begins with, ends with, and these different options that are available here. So for example, if I now say does not contain, or does not contain is here, or does not equal, if I just show you that, maybe this one is easier to show, does not contain. So if I can just hide something that is mentioned here, for example, say if I hide this role word here, role. So I'm saying Excel that please only show the products where the product name does not contain role. You will see that Excel has hidden all the rows where the role word was mentioned. So that is one way of dealing with the data analysis. Now let me go back to this price here, because this is the number and the filter options will change a bit. This is the number of filters now. And if you look at this, now you have multiple options like equals, does not equal, greater than, less than, top 10, between, top, below average. So all of these options can be used. So for example, say I just want to use this filter here for greater than or equal to, and I want Excel to show me the products only where the product price is greater than or equal to 3, and I will click OK, and you can see that only those products are appearing now where the product price is greater than or equal to 3. So that is again a very effective way to apply filters. And one last thing, here we have a different kind of data. We have dates, and this filter is very special on dates as well. So let me show you how. So if I click on the drop down, you can see that Excel has given me the names here. So if I don't have enough data to show you the filters here, so I will just move to the next sheet for this purpose, and I will go here on date. I will first of all apply the filters, and now I will show you how it is working. So on dates column, you can see that Excel has given you the data for 2019 and 2018. First of all, let us say we don't want to see data from 2018. Let's uncheck that. And in 2019, I don't want to see the complete year data. I will just click on this plus sign here, and now I have the months option available, and I can uncheck the months I don't want to see. And even in the months, if you like to see further details in the month, you can click on this plus sign here, and you can even select the dates for which you want to see the data. So for example, if I just click here now, you will see that only 2019 December values will appear. So here we go, 2019 and December, and that is it. Only data from, if I can just go to the end of the data, you can see that only 2019 December values are appearing here. So that filter is very powerful, and yet we have even more options. So I'll select all of them for now, and I will go to these date filters here, and here we have quite a lot of magical options. So equals on before, you can select any date to choose the data before or after that date, or you can choose today, tomorrow, yesterday, or you can choose next day, this week, next week, and you can choose the months similar way. You can even choose the quarters in similar fashion. You can even go to the year to date. So that is absolutely amazing, that how much Excel filters can do. So I actually love this feature, and I'm sure that you will also fall in love with this feature. And also when it is combined together with this quick toolbar here for the analysis purpose, to get the quick idea of the number of values or the sum of the values, this becomes really magical. I hope that was helpful.